Hello everyone, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to show you one app which you can use to submit one record, or you can edit and then submit that record. Okay, so if you gone through this series Power App Basics, so video number 2 is I already showed you how to submit, but many of the subscribers are asking how to edit. Okay, so I will show you today how I can do that. This is one schema I already have created. Okay, so one home screen, there will be a start button. On click of the start button, it will just navigate to a next screen. Next screen is like this. Whether you want to add or you want to edit a record. Okay, based on your choice, actually redirected to different screen. If user select add new record, then it will be go to the main screen. That means this screen. And if someone selected edit new form, it will go to the browse screen where all the records will be there. He need to select one record and then he can redirect to one screen where he can see the details of the record and then he can edit. Okay, so main screen there is nothing, then is submit screen. I mean, after main screen someone select next, it will go to the submit screen. Part of the form will be here. Browse screen, nothing is there. Item details, nothing is there. And last, thanks screen. Now I will do one by one. Okay, so here this is hard code. I took one ready button from here and place this collection. You can create your collection separately and put it here. I just hard coded it for now. Next, in the next button I actually choose the text. If you create collection, then you can provide the ID, so that if you in the long run if you change anything, you need not to update the code also. Okay, so pressing alt, clicking on next, I am coming here, next screen. First I need to connect the data source. So I will select one list. Okay, this is called bug list. These are the column. Okay, pretty same. So if you want to hide some specific column, you can change. Okay, so title, description of the bug, then assign to whom you want to assign, then priority, severity, these kind of things. A normal SharePoint list. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll click on this. Replace one. Here I will put that bug list. When I will place the bug list, then all the data will be there, columns will be there. So I will click title, text will be description, like this. If you want to add more, you can add more, like priority and severity, let's say. Okay, this is the sequence I have done. Description should be a multi-line text, and the height should be a good amount, 150 or 200, let's say. I hope you will manage this UI and everything. Now next will be the next screen. What I will do, I will this again new form. In this form I will give again bug list. Next, so what are the columns are assigned to, and let's say there is another is attachment. Okay, so that's all. Now when I want to see, nothing is appearing because the default set is edit. You understand that if I want to select it dynamically, I mean, whether it should be edit form or new form, I need to create something, correct? So what I will do here, I will set a global variable. The variable name must be var form mode. Okay. Form mode double quote new form. Okay. Need to place a semicolon. Take this the same thing. Place it here, and here need to edit format text. It will be like this. So what it have mean, whenever someone click add new, one variable gets set and new form will be there. Okay. Now if I go to the next, what I will do here is the form. So there is a data source. Here in the default mode it is edit. Instead of edit, what I will do, if this variable is new form, so it will be form mode dot new. Now I am keeping like this. Later I will change again this code. Okay. The submit form, I will do the same thing. I will put the default mode, or I will change it. Okay. Now if I click, let me show you. If I click, it is coming like this. Okay. If I click like this, it will go here, browse screen. Now in the browse screen, what I will do, I will select one gallery where all the bugs will be shown here. So here, instead of the items, in the items I will show bug list. Okay. Now here, what you need to do, is the title of the bug. Subtitle is the ID. Instead of that, you can just put description or something, or let's say priority. Priority is a choice column, so you need to put the value, and this image you can delete. Okay. Now there will be some problem because of the x and y coordinate, so you need to delete. Okay. Done. Now what I will do is, I will go back, I will create here directly. Okay. Bug1 is description, priority here, assign to me s1, forget about it. Okay. It will give us a understanding that what is appearing where. Okay. Bug1, p1, everything came. Now here I need to do something. What I will do, I will navigate to the detail screen, item detail screen. I already told item detail screen. I will go here. What I will do is the item detail screen here. Let's put it display form, because you just wanted to display the selected item. Right? So here again bug list, and in the item, what you need to do is, what is the name of the gallery? Gallery 3. Gallery 3 dot selected. Okay. Now what are the things you wanted to see? First is title, of course, then description, then priority, then severity, then assign to, then if there is any attachment. Okay, so all these things you just provide here. Okay, then let me show you it is working fine or not. So I'm here, I'm clicking and then going to the main screen. Next here, back, click on the edit screen, coming here. If I select something, it is giving me correct. Here if I click on edit, ideally it should redirect to main screen and fill everything correct. So what I will do is I will navigate to main screen like this. Okay, edit screen. Now in the main screen form 2, what you need to do, there is item. This item you need to put if where form mode is equal to edit form, then it should take gallery 3 dot selected. Okay, this. Now you can understand. If I go from here, if I click here, nothing is there because it is a new form. But if I clicking here, selecting this one, I'm going here, clicking here, everything is reloaded. Correct. Now I will do in the same in the next screen. So first I will click on the form, whatever I have typed, I will take it, I'll go to the next screen, will select the form. In this form I will give in the item, it will be like this. Now in the sum will do is I will clear collect, then I will put some call submitted record, collection of the submitted record, patch, and then name of the data source, that is list name of list. Then ideally it should be like defaults, then again source name, then like this. Okay, this is the patch you need to do. And then what are the form 2 dot update semicolon, sorry, comma, and form 3 dot update. Okay, like this. Then I need to do like this, format it. Here it is not always will be submit, so I need to check if where form mode is equal to edit form, then it should what is the gallery name, gallery 3 dot selected, else that defaults. Okay, so if it is edit mode, then this item, that selected item, it need to update, or if it is not, then it will be create one new. Correct. In this collection, why I put collection, if you place like the, I mean from here to here, it always submit, there is no problem. But call submitted record, will always give you the collection return. Let's say you wanted to retrieve the ID of the submitted item. Okay, so in the thank you screen, what I will place is label your item ID sp list dot. You can see every column available here. Okay. This is number, so you need to put as a text. Now let's check. So I will create one new bug 2, put it like this. Next, I'll place any your name. I will put some attachment. Okay. I forgot to give navigate to thanks screen after everything. Okay, now I will go here. If you see, this is the thing. So I'll come here. What I will do, before navigating, I will take all the form and I will reset. So there are two form 2, form 3. Okay. So here now if I edit the same, it will give me everything including the attachments. I will go here. This is the item I have chosen. Now putting S3 P3, being next, submit. Okay, last item is 30. Now you will come here, and if you want to check whether really it is updating or not, this is P3. Let's test another item. Okay, now it is item number 31. Now what are the things we can do from here? One by one, we need to do some validation also. Let's say you want description as a mandatory form. Okay, so required to go here, uncheck it, true, like this. Okay. If you want to priority as a record field, you to go here, true. In one of the video, I already shown how you can change a drop down to a radio button or checkbox, something like that. You can do all these things. Okay. Now the thing is that form. Ideally, the form name should be FRM and then screen name or something like that. FRM in. Okay. Don't worry about the changing the name in the code. It automatically change. FRM submit. So it will be easier for you to understand the form name. Now I validate the next button. I validate the form. Whenever the form record field is not filled up, the next button will be disabled. iframe dot main dot valid display, otherwise display mode. Like this. So until I'm putting something, it will not allow me to submit. Here you can do the same thing. What I'll do, record here. So now here I can do two things for the submit button. What are the thing I can do? If connection not connected, if there is a no connection, it will be disabled, and form iframe submit means this form is valid if both are true, then it will be edit, otherwise display mode. Well, until someone putting anything, will not get submit. Okay, let's check. So what I will do next, will come here, test one, when I will select, it will appear. Okay, like this. We come here, I can see whatever the data I have submitted, everything is here. Okay, so that's all from today. If you need any help, let me know. Thank you.